Welcome back to Autocar, your ultimate destination for everything on four wheels. Today, we're diving deep into the stunning 2025 Ferrari 296 GTB, a car that perfectly blends Ferrari's rich heritage with cutting-edge innovation. From its breathtaking exterior to its luxurious interior, every inch of this machine screams performance and elegance. So, buckle up as we take an in-depth tour of this automotive masterpiece. At first glance, the Ferrari 296 GTB is nothing short of a visual masterpiece. Ferrari has always been known for its impeccable design language, and the 296 GTB is no exception. The sleek, sculpted body is a testament to the brand's commitment to aerodynamics and aesthetics. Every curve and contour is meticulously crafted to enhance airflow and reduce drag. At the front, the 296 GTB features a low, aggressive stance with sharp LED headlights that seamlessly integrate into the car's lines. The large front grille, inspired by Ferrari's racing heritage, provides optimal cooling for the powerful engine beneath the hood. The hood itself is elegantly shaped, directing airflow efficiently over the car to maximize downforce. Moving to the sides, the aerodynamic side skirts and sculpted air intakes not only add to the car's aggressive profile but also serve a functional purpose in cooling the hybrid powertrain. The 20-inch alloy wheels, available in multiple finishes, add a sense of sportiness while maintaining a perfect balance between aesthetics and performance. At the rear, the 296 GTB boasts an active rear spoiler that adjusts based on speed and driving conditions, enhancing stability. The slim LED taillights are reminiscent of Ferrari's classic designs, while the dual exhausts, positioned centrally, provide a raw, exhilarating soundtrack to match the car's performance. The rear diffuser, designed for maximum aerodynamic efficiency, further solidifies the 296 GTB's track-inspired design. Step inside, and you're immediately surrounded by an environment that blends luxury with high-performance functionality. The cabin is a perfect balance of minimalism and advanced technology, with a driver-focused cockpit that prioritizes ergonomics and control. The dashboard features a fully digital instrument cluster, displaying all vital information with crisp, high-resolution graphics. The steering wheel is inspired by Formula One, equipped with multiple controls, including the iconic Manettino dial, which allows drivers to switch between driving modes effortlessly. Premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber adorn the cabin, ensuring a luxurious yet sporty feel. The seats are designed for both comfort and support, with aggressive bolstering that keeps the driver firmly in place during high-speed maneuvers. Ferrari has also integrated a state-of-the-art infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, ensuring connectivity on the go. While we won't delve into the engine specifics, it's important to acknowledge Ferrari's deep-rooted history of blending power with precision. The 296 GTB is a continuation of Ferrari's commitment to pushing boundaries, combining hybrid technology with exhilarating performance. Owning a Ferrari has always been a dream for many, and the 296 GTB carries a price tag that reflects its exclusivity. With an estimated starting price of around $320,000, this masterpiece isn't just a car, it's an experience. And that wraps up our in-depth look at the exterior and interior of the 2025 Ferrari 296 GTB. What do you think of this stunning machine? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content from Autocar. See you in the next one.